Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Telegram channel by deleting users from the removed users list, you're in the right place. Keeping your channel's member management organized can help you maintain a clean and active community. Let's walk through the updated steps to clear out the removed users list on your Telegram channel. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that manages the channel you want to edit. Next, head over to your channel. You'll find it in your chat list. Just tap to open. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel's name. This will bring you to the channel's profile page, where you can see details and settings related to your channel. Now, scroll down or look for the section labeled Removed Users. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of users who have been removed from your channel. This list helps you keep track of who's been taken out, but sometimes it's helpful to clear it out, especially if you want a fresh start or need to re-add someone in the future. To delete someone from this list, find the user you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those. A menu will appear with a few options. Select Delete from this list. This action will remove the user from your removed users list. If you ever want to re-add them to your channel, clearing them from this list is an important step. Repeat these steps for any other users you want to delete from the removed users list. When you're done, your list will be clean, and you'll have more control over your channel's membership. And that's it. You've successfully deleted users from the removed users list on your Telegram channel. Keeping your channel organized is simple once you know where to look and what steps to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most out of your Telegram experience.